As you know, my name is Preeti. I'm from UP in District Mau. So today I'm going to reveal that my hobbies about my hobbies. I like learning new point each and every time.
Mm-hmm.
So please, do you have any topic to conversation?
Yeah, why not, ma'am? I have a many topic.
So please
Okay,
let's
so
talk about.
okay. Let me tell you, ma'am. Yeah, how to control our thoughts.
Okay. So it is a it is the most common problems each and every learners because they want to learn this language as well as they instead of learning this language they are only thinking overthinking like uh, without 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 doing anything they are thinking so much like I get this I got this so it is it is the main purpose it is a main problems like learners are facing lot of problems instead of doing hard work so it should not it should not do like overthinking if you have any knowledge so you can share but don't think about little hi-fi don't think over so this is my opinion.
Hmm. Yeah, you're right, ma'am. I think overthinking it will make you a lot of weak internally, right? And you are not able to, getting the right opinion of you at least, right? Because you will be under confused, right? So it's a better to just take a lightly of your each and every situation of your life and yeah, be positive all the time. Be happy because your happiness will give you confidence and clarity. Okay.
Yes,
So yeah,
yes.
it's a better way to just building your confidence and spreading your positiveness. It will help you also in a several kinds of field. So yeah, that is also my opinion. So yeah, ma'am. One thing I just want to ask you, like nowadays, how have you been working over your communication skill, like spoken English?
Sorry.
Nowadays, how have you been working over your spoken English?
Okay, so as you know, I have done my learning this journey. I completed 1 year, but literally I want to speak this language like a native speakers. So I am focusing on this communication skills 2 3 months you can say and day by day my English is improving little bit but sooner or later I will definitely speak good it is not work overnight yes
Hmm. Yeah, you're right, ma'am.
I'm doing work I'm doing hard work in a day in a night and English is a secondary language you can say there is no any environment any partner apart from that we we I am a homemaker as well as I am a mother so being a mother being a housewife we don't get so much time but somehow I manage my all work as well as I am really passionate about for learning this language and nowadays I I am learning this language like a native speakers. So it is very benefit for me and it is a very hard but I am trying to my best.
Yeah, I want to appreciate you, ma'am, your effort. What effort have you been putting over your communication skill to try to improve it as soon as possible? And I'm getting a lot of your content over the screen of my, and yeah, you're doing well. I would say very hard work you are doing.
Thanks.
Yeah, you are the inspiration of many women, many housewife. I would say.
Yes. So please tell me nowadays Which activities you are applying in order to become a good speaker? Please tell me all things in detail, in a
Yeah,
nutshell.
why not? Yeah, ma'am, of course. I would like to mention all these things, what I did and what I'm doing now. Yeah, I like improving myself. I'm focusing over talking only because as much as you speak with people, as much as experience you are going to gain, right? By discussing with the different personalities, you are going to learn a lot of opinion, perception of the people, and ideas, strategy included this field, a spoken field, and as well as a lot of field of your the life. Okay, so it's a better to discussing much more with the people, sharing your opinion, your uh, personal question you try to reveal out around the people, so the people also can try to relating self with your questions and giving you a little bit answer. So this way you also can learn something new, right? And
Right.
another way I'm learning this language by accumulating, collecting a lot of vocabulary. Because without having vocabulary, how could you extend your experience into this, language, right? Having
Yes.
vocabulary, that is mean you are going to opportunity by creating a different kinds of statement that would be very effectively, you can be convey your thoughts, right? So having vocabulary, it's a requirement for all the beginner life, and not a beginner, but also so many advanced speakers also have a requirement, right?
Yes. Right.
So these are things I'm doing and little bit focusing on grammar part also, because grammar is the root of spoken English, you know very well. By
Yes. Yes.
talking into a accuracy, you have a needed to have the proper knowledge of grammar, right? So these are things I'm doing
Yes.
into day to day life to improve my fluency, my English speaking.
So please tell me what is your aim? Means what do you want to do in your future life?
Yeah, of course. I just want to become good teacher, I would say, in future as well. Still, I'm a teacher, but in future also, I would like to see myself in that post.
Wow,
Right.
definitely you will do great.
Yeah, because as far as I concern, having this post into your life, it's a really very respectable post of your life, and equally you will get a lot of respect from the people towards you, as well as you will establish better identification of you around the society. So yeah, that's the better way, right?
So thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Now I'm going to uh, take any classes on YouTube. So now I have to hang up the call.